Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and suddenly nothing comes out? You know the words. You've heard the phrases. But when it's time to speak, your brain just freezes. Why does that happen? Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub, the place where English becomes natural, easy, and fun. If you feel like you're constantly stuck while speaking, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly why that happens and how to overcome it. Speaking English is just like driving a car. Think about it. When you first learn driving, you overthink every little move. Brake, clutch, gear, mirror. It's confusing and stressful. But after some time, driving becomes automatic. You don't think anymore. You just do it. Your body knows what to do because you've done it so many times. The same thing happens with English. You get stuck because you don't have enough sentences and patterns stored in your subconscious. You're still translating in your head. You're still trying to recall grammar rules. That's the problem. If the only sentences you've really memorized are, "How are you?" and "What is your name?" then your brain won't have the tools it needs when real conversations happen. Fluency doesn't come from knowing words. It comes from knowing phrases and using them again and again. So here's how we fix it. We don't memorize grammar rules. We don't cram vocabulary lists. We repeat natural conversations daily. Here's a 3-step plan you can follow starting today. Listen to short, real conversations in English every day. Repeat the sentences out loud. Yes, actually speak them. Don't just read. Use those sentences in your real life, at work, with friends, or even while thinking to yourself. That's what we do here on this channel. I post daily English conversations so you can absorb the phrases, train your subconscious, and speak naturally, just like driving without thinking. If you're serious about speaking English fluently, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single conversation. Remember, English fluency isn't magic. It's repetition, exposure, and practice. So stop worrying, start speaking, and let your English flow naturally.